Again, we are back together. All right, so we are still continuing on that 2024 May-June technical maths paper. We are almost at the end of it, so please, if you haven't subscribed, just make sure you're part of the family. All right, so let's quickly go into the question. Question 9, they say, determine the following integrals. Now, the fortunate thing about technical maths is that they give us the list of integrals. Okay, so in this case, all you need to go is just go and refer at the back, right? But you know that when you are given, now please, I want you guys to note, if I've got x, I'm trying to find the integration, all right, the integral of x to the power n. All I need to do is add 1 to the exponent and divide by whatever it is that I've added there, all right? That is plus c, all right? So let's go back to it. So I've got x to the exponent of 4. I said to you, all I need to do is add 1, so that's 4 plus 1. That will give me 5, right? But I divide by the coefficient. So this is divided by 5. And remember, we say plus c. Okay, right. So that is the answer or the solution to that. Okay, right. In this case, that is how you would give your expression. Let's go to the next one. So they say to us, we've got the integration or the integral, right, of 2 pi, all right, plus 4 over x. This is dx. So firstly, so that means that we're taking the integral of 2 pi plus the integral of 4 multiplied by 1 over x. Okay? Right, and please remember, this is with respect to x. So meaning anything that's not x, we are simply going to take that as a, we're going to take it as a constant, right? Now 2 pi, all right, our battery is almost over. All right, so 2 pi is a constant. So which means the integral of this would simply be 2 pi x, right? So remember, it means we've got x to the power of 1 divided by 1. So that simply becomes 2 pi x plus. Now, this would be 4 times the integral of 1 over x. Now, if you go back to your list, okay, you'll see that the integration or the integral of 1 over x would give us ln of x. Okay, right. So in this case, that would give me 2 pi x, that's my answer, plus 4 ln of x. All right, ln of x plus c. And that would be your solution for 9.1.2. Okay, right, let's go to the very last one. So the very last one is 2x to the power minus 3. All right, and we are raising this to the exponent of 3 dx. Now, please, again, we need to keep this in mind, okay? So it means that we're going to say 2 to the exponent of 3. So we need to simplify that first, so which gives us 8. And then x to the exponent of minus 3 times 3, that will give us minus 9. So how do I integrate that? Again, we're going to be using the very first rule, right, of integration. So we're going to go back to this again. So we're going to add 1, right? We're going to add 1, and we're going to divide by whatever is the number in there, right? So that will give us, that's going to be If we add 1 over there, that becomes minus 8, but we divide by negative 8. So that will be 8x to the minus 8, but we divide that by minus 8. And please don't forget to say plus c for your answer. So 8 divided by negative 8 will give us 1. Okay, so 8 and negative 8 gives us 1. So our final answer will be minus x to the power of 8 plus c. Okay, right. And that is essentially how the cookie crumbles, ladies and gents. If you do want to, that was x to the power minus 8, right? Now, if you want to write it in another form, you can simplify it to minus 1 over x to the power of 8 plus c. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, right, and that is really how the cookie crumbles, ladies and gents. This is one of those sections that we really need to pick up marks from. Right, and we are left with one more question, 9.2, and we're going to do that in the next video. For now, I'll see you guys next time. Sharp, sharp.